Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3B. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to communicate from child to parent component in Lightning Aura component. In this lesson, we will be learn how to communicate from parent to child component in Aura Lightning component. So here I will pass the value from parent component to child component through Aura method function in Lightning Aura component. So here I will display a model pop-up using the Aura method in Lightning component. So let's jump to my Salesforce screen. So in the developer console, my custom app, it is a existing app that is created in the last lesson. So I am using same my custom app application. So in this app, I will call the parent component. So child component and parent component, there are two components created in the last lesson. So I am using the same component. So in the child component, I am creating a Aura method. So in the Aura method, first passing the name and then passing the action. So in the Aura method, the action method is a mandatory. Whenever you pass the value from parent to child, this action method will be automatically fired. So this action method calling into the child component, and if you going to the controller, this action method created in the JavaScript, and here I am using two Aura ID. So you can see there is two Aura ID in the section for the open the model pop-up. I am using Aura ID model feed, and for the background shade background model background. So there are two Aura ID. So in the JavaScript, first I am finding the Aura ID, then I am adding the class. So whenever find this ID and I am adding SLDS fade in open and SLDS backdrop open. So this class will be open the model pop-up, and in the child component there is a in the footer there is a cancel button. So on the cancel button there is a close event pop-up function. So whenever you click on this function, I am removing this class name. So similarly copy this variable and paste here, and here I am adding the class name, and in the close event pop-up I am removing the class name. The same class name I am removing for the close pop-up. So in the child there are two methods. First method in the Aura method action, and second method in the for the close the pop-up. This child component called to the parent component here, and in the child component I am passing the Aura ID, and there is a button. In the button I am passing a function open event pop-up. So this function will be called in the JavaScript here, and first I am finding the ID that is a child component, this ID. So first I will find this ID and then pass the method name. So first I create a variable. In this variable I store the ID or ID, and then I am passing the method name. So method name, it is a defined in the child component. This is the Aura method name. Submit here. This name I am passing to the parent component here, and in the bracket I am passing the Aura ID that is a calling the child component. So whenever passing the ID update, this action method will be fired on the child component, and this action method will add the SLDS class or open the model pop-up. So whenever pop-up will open, there is the action function to close the pop-up. So here close event pop-up, I will remove the class. So from this example, I am using the Aura method, and this Aura method name passing to the parent component in the function here. So using the order method, I am opening the model pop-up from parent to child component. And this parent component calling into the app. So always call the parent component in the app, and if you preview this component, there open event pop-up button that is created in the parent component. This is open event pop-up. So when you will click on the pop-up, model pop-up will be open. This one. And when you will click on the cancel button, model pop-up will be hide. So in this scenario, I am using the Aura method to open the model pop-up from parent component to child component. So in the child component, I define the Aura method, name and action. And the parent component, I am passing the ID and name of the Aura method. So in this example, I am opening the model pop-up through Aura method. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org to pass the attribute value from parent component to child component using the Aura method. If you are stuck in anything to passing the value from parent to child, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel. Take W3 Bay. Thank you.